Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you how to search for templates in CapCut. So the process is really simple. So first you'll need to launch your CapCut app on your device. And if you are using a device that is different than mine, don't you worry because the process is still the same. So first, as I said, just need to launch your CapCut app on your device. And then on the bottom part of your screen, you will see these different sections here. You'll see Edit, Template, Inbox, and Me. So you just need to go to the Template section. And on the search bar on the upper part of the screen, you just tap on it for you to be able to search for the template that you want to use. So since I want to use a vintage type of uh, template, I'll just need to type that in. I'm so sorry, I cannot spell. And then type, and then just click search. And in here, as you can see, you will have access to different types of templates that will fit your theme. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss any video. That is all, and thank you so much for watching.